Research Mystery: The Case of the Mysterious Note. Brought to you by Tina Brigham at Ask a School Librarian. Help Detective Booksy solve another library mystery. Use your library skills to find clues and crack the case. A strange note was found tucked inside a book. The librarian suspects it contains a secret message, but some of the words are smudged. 4 students were using the book that day. Can you figure out who left the note and what it says? The note was found in a book about famous inventors. Where in the library would you search for books about inventors? Write down the Dewey Decimal number for books about inventors. Pause here if you need more time. The librarian was able to read part of the note. It said, "Great ideas come from blank. The famous inventor of the light bulb is my favorite." What is the missing word? Fill in the missing word and name the inventor mentioned in the note. Pause here if you need more time. The librarian checked the records and found these books were borrowed. Number 1, Brilliant Minds: The Story of Great Inventors. Number 2, How Electricity Changed the World. Number 3, The Life of Thomas Edison. Which of the following students is most likely to have written the note? Choose the correct suspect from the list. Here's the list of suspects. Number 1 is Noah. Noah loves art and drawing. Number 2, Sophie. Sophie enjoys reading about science and technology. Number 3, Liam. Liam is always checking out fairy tale books. And suspect number 4 is Emma. Emma only reads adventure stories. Now it's time to solve the case. Who has the missing book? Write a 2-sentence summary of how you solved the case. Check out my 58 super fun research mysteries to solve in the library. Printable activity packs are available in the link to my store in the description box. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe before you go.